In this exercise, we will work with establishing presence and connection using our senses. This is exercise 2 from the series Exercises for Trauma and Emotional Overwhelm, Regulating Your Body. Now, in this series, we will use our senses and use the practice of grounding through our senses to mitigate our trauma response and to come back from intense emotional overwhelm, to come down from feelings of fear, anxiety, and panic. In the first exercise, we already worked to some extent with grounding, using this ground as support, using the chair as support. You can do this exercise in conjunction with the previous exercise or independently. Now, in this exercise, all you simply need is a chair, and we will use the function of grounding by creating awareness in the here and now. What happens in trauma is that we forget where we are. The memory, the emotions associated with the traumatic event or fear for the future can take over our awareness, our attention, and we have to remind our body, our nervous systems that we are here. And this is the present moment reality. And a great way to do that is to use our senses to actually relate to the environment, to see what is happening, to hear what is happening. So in this exercise, we will use grounding through 3 senses, through what we can see, through what we can hear, and through what we can smell. We will use these 3 senses to bring our awareness back into the present. So what you need to do is settle down on the chair, plant your feet firmly on the ground, take some time to just rest and notice that you are here and that you're connected to the chair, that you're connected to the ground. Once you've done this, the next step is to ask yourself a question. What do I see? Now, look in your room or look around and fix your attention on any one object to start with. For instance, I can see a plant. What is the color of that plant? What is the shape, size, texture? How does the light bounce off that plant? There's so many things to take in about that plant. So with full focus, I'm looking at one object in my environment, in my surrounding. You have to do this exercise with 5 objects. So you see one object, fully look at it, fully bring your attention to it. So you're not thinking anything else, you're not anywhere else. You are helping your nervous system to realize through what you are seeing that you are here right now. So this is part 1 of this exercise. Do this for 5 objects. Part 2 of this exercise is listen to all the sounds present right now. Soft sounds, loud sounds, sounds far away, sounds close by, any sound. Pleasant sounds, unpleasant sounds, doesn't matter. Don't judge the sounds, don't try to understand the sounds. Simply listen to the sounds. Now this is grounding through the sense of hearing. When we hear what is happening now with attention, we bring our nervous system into a regulated state because our nervous system realizes this is where we are. So such a simple practice can be such an effective practice to regulate the nervous system. After you have done this for at least 2-3 minutes, you come to the third practice, which is noticing smell. Now just take a few deep breaths and notice any smell in your surroundings. Again, don't judge the smell, don't try to interpret what smell it is, simply take it in. If there is no smell that you are aware of, that is perfectly all right. Simply take a few deep breaths. If there is a smell, it's okay to recognize that, to know that there is a smell. Often our traumatic events, memories, emotions, they're laden with components of things we see, images, they're laden with sounds, they're laden with smells. And when we start recognizing that we are here and this is what we are smelling right now, this is what we are hearing right now, we can mitigate the trauma response. So it's a very effective practice for working with an emotional overwhelm or a trauma response. Do it with some space, do it slowly, and that is how you go ahead doing all these practices. And now there will be a third practice following this, which will be about creating safety using self-touch.